In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use resource pools in Microsoft Project. A resource pool is a central list of people, equipment, and costs that multiple projects can share. It helps you keep availability, rates, and calendars consistent across schedules, so you avoid double booking and conflicting data. Let's walk through creating the pool and connecting a project to it. Start by opening Microsoft Project on the desktop. Create a new blank project by going to File, New, and choosing Blank Project. Next, switch the view to the resource sheet by selecting View and then Resource Sheet. This is where you'll define the resources that will be shared. Enter each resource on its own row. Type a clear resource name, then set max units to reflect capacity. For example, 100% means a single full-time person. 200% could represent 2 people or 1 person who can handle 2 parallel tasks at half time. Assign the appropriate calendar to match working time, such as a standard work week or a custom shift. Finally, specify cost rates, including standard and, if needed, overtime rates, so cost calculations stay accurate across all projects that use this pool. Think of this file as your master reference for who is available, when they can work, and what they cost. This file is your resource pool. Keep it open. If you happen to close it, open the resource pool file you just created so it's available. Now, open the project that should share these resources. This is the sharer project, the schedule that will draw from the pool rather than maintaining its own separate resource list. In the sharer project, go to the Resource tab, choose Resource Pool, and then Share Resources. In the Share Resources dialog, select Use Resources to tell this project to pull from an external list. In the From box, choose your resource pool project. You'll need to decide how to handle conflicts between the pool and the sharer project. If you choose Pool takes precedence, the pool's data, like calendars, units, and rates, will override any local differences in the sharer. This is best when the pool is your single source of truth. If you choose Sharer takes precedence, the local project's entries will override the pool's values, which can be useful for one-off exceptions. After you've chosen the option that fits your governance approach, click OK to link them. You'll now see the shared resources in the Sharer project's resource sheet. That confirms the connection and ensures assignments use the availability and cost information maintained in the pool, keeping your projects aligned and consistent.